ButterKit includes MCP support, so you can use AI agents like Claude to automate your designs, localize your screenshots to dozens of languages, and even publish to App Store Connect, all in seconds using Claude. To get started, just open up ButterKit settings and click the AI Agents MCP tab. Then enable the MCP server. Next, scroll down to the configuration section and copy the helper binary path. Now, you can simply ask Claude to help you connect and provide it with the helper binary you just copied. Or if you're using Claude Code, just jump into the terminal and type Claude MCP add ButterKit and then paste in the helper binary path you just copied. Press return to install, then restart Claude. When AI agents are connected to ButterKit, you'll see their status in ButterKit settings. Additionally, it's recommended to set an agent import folder to allow clear file access for your AI agents. This enables Claude to access your specified screenshot images and export your finished designs. Without specifying this folder, you may encounter macOS sandbox limitations. Now we're ready to put Claude to work. Let's check the MCP connection by asking if it can see ButterKit. Looks good. Now let's have it do some work for us by localizing our App Store screenshots into a few new languages. In ButterKit, I can see our agent taking actions for us. Obviously, this is just scratching the surface. You can automate designs, import screenshot images, publish to App Store Connect, integrate into deployment pipelines, and much more.